Ever wondered how the most successful crypto traders navigate the volatile world of digital currencies? Today, we're embarking on a journey to unravel the 5 best crypto trading strategies that can help maximize your gains and mitigate potential losses. First on our list is hodling. This term, born from a misspelling of holding, has now evolved into a full-fledged strategy in the crypto world. Hodling is all about buying and holding onto your digital assets, no matter the market's short-term fluctuations. The key to success with hodling lies in its simplicity. Pick a promising crypto, buy it, and hold on to it until it appreciates in value. Next up, we have day trading. This strategy is for those who enjoy the thrill of the market's ebbs and flows. Day trading involves making multiple trades within a single day, capitalizing on short-term price movements. It requires a keen eye for market trends, a solid understanding of technical analysis, and, most importantly, a disciplined approach. Our third strategy is swing trading. It's a more relaxed version of day trading. Instead of buying and selling within a single day, swing traders hold onto their assets for days or even weeks, waiting for the perfect moment to sell. This strategy requires patience and a good understanding of market patterns. Coming in at number 4 is scalping. This strategy takes day trading to the next level by focusing on extremely short-term trades. Scalpers aim to profit from minute price changes and typically make dozens, if not hundreds, of trades in a single day. It's fast-paced and can be highly profitable, but it's not for the faint-hearted. Finally, we have position trading. This is a long-term strategy where traders hold on to their assets for months or even years. Position traders aren't concerned with short-term market fluctuations. Instead, they're betting on their chosen crypto's long-term potential. This strategy requires a deep understanding of the crypto market and a willingness to weather any short-term storms. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy when it comes to crypto trading. What works for one person might not work for another. It's all about understanding your risk tolerance, investing time to research, and finding a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and trading style. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, these 5 strategies can serve as a starting point to help you navigate the exciting yet unpredictable world of digital currencies. Until next time, stay savvy and keep exploring the crypto universe.